Sure. Okay. All right. So now that we have the k and we have the function, that's okay. I understand. No worries. Okay. So now that we have this, we can now look for the factors. So any suggestions in terms of what the factors could be? So remember, we can do grouping, right? There's no, like, x squared is common, but we don't have any other factor. So we'll have to use factor term. So plus or minus 1. So we're okay with this. So any suggestions, any number that we could try here? Yeah, we could definitely try 3 and 2 as well. But I'm going to go with, if you go back, the question here, they mentioned that minus 2 is a factor. So we know for sure x plus 2 is a factor, correct? So we can even take that into consideration and just find our next factors, right? Using synthetic. Do we agree? Because rather than, like, yes, we list all this, but we know for sure minus 2 is going to work, correct? Because 2 and 3, we're just guessing to see what it is. But we know for a fact x is equal to minus 2 will give us such that it will be 0. And this is one way to double check if you actually did it right as well. So let's continue that. But honestly, those 2 and 3 does work. Okay, but I want to show you guys this technique as well. So now we have 1 here, 3 minus 10 minus 24. So now this was minus 2. Are we okay with synthetic? I'm just going to multiply this by minus 2. Right? So this would be 1. So we have 0. So therefore we know, okay, k is equal to 3 does work. So this is indirectly checking your work as well. Because if you didn't, then you might have made a mistake and you want to go back and check your work. So now that we have this, we know that this is x to the power 3. So we can write f at x. So our factor here was x plus 2, minus 2. Now we have